Pacific Current Group is a multi-boutique asset manager that invests in investment firms all around the world. We started this business originally because we thought there was an opportunity to invest in investment managers a little differently than how it had been done historically. There was an enormous opportunity set of entrepreneurs who had great investment talent, but just needed to be liberated from their current situation. We know how to take those people, put them in an entrepreneurial setting, and then provide the infrastructure, provide the distribution capability that they need to sort of realize those entrepreneurial ambitions. When we invest in a business, we're not investing with the idea of selling 5 years down the road. Our objective is to hold our stake forever, or as long as the investment manager wants to continue to own their business. We want them to control their business. These businesses are their babies. It's part of them, and we want them to have that both financial incentive, but also that emotional attachment to their businesses that they've always had.
You think of typical private equity, you think of a firm coming in, investing, trying to identify cost synergies, performing financial engineering to juice the return, and then exiting within 5 to 10 years. Pacific Current's approach is kind of the antithesis of that. We're seeking to partner with our companies, providing permanent capital and helping them grow for a long period of time.
We're not a bunch of Wall Street types who are doing performing sort of slash and burn private equity. We are growth capital investors. We just want to help them grow their business. We stay out of their hair. What we like to say is we'll be as active in their business as they'd like us to be.
I think the greatest benefit for asset managers partnering with us is our experience and understanding of the asset management industry. We have over a decade of experience investing solely in asset management businesses, but in addition to that, we have decades of experience from the institutional allocation and manager research side.
We've done this a long time. We're a proven commodity when it comes to how we work with companies and what our relationships are like. We often work with our portfolio companies to help them grow their business. So we actually have an institutional distribution capability that can go out, work with these companies, and raise capital for them. And there's nothing more aligned than us working side by side with them to help grow their business. We love investing in boutiques because boutiques are created by people with a passion for investing. They've often made great sacrifices to get to the point where they are today, and they're in it for the long haul.
We target managers within certain asset classes that we expect to experience growth tailwinds over the long term. And it's a highly competitive industry that we are involved in. And so, investors that go the extra mile, that have the work ethic, that have the passion, and that don't just treat investing like a job, we think those are the ones that are going to be able to generate excess return and grow their business over time.
We may not be the highest profile company in the world, but I would put our relationships with our portfolio companies up against anyone. The whole reason we come to work is to work with our portfolio companies, help them wherever we can, and that's what makes this job fun and interesting.